Do you know how many muscles it takes to perform a sneeze? A lot. When the inside of your nose gets a tickle, a message is sent to a special part of your brain called the sneeze center. And that sends a message to a big bunch of muscles that work together to create a sneeze. We use so many muscles when we sneeze that sneezing is actually a pretty good workout. Muscles like the abdominal muscles, chest muscles, diaphragm, the muscles that control your vocal cords, plus the muscles in the back of your throat. Don't forget the eyelid muscles. Did you know that you always reflexively close your eyes when you sneeze? And it's not true that your eyes will pop out if you sneeze with your eyes open. And you never sneeze when you're asleep because the nerves that cause you to sneeze are also resting. A single sneeze can produce up to 40,000 droplets, which can travel 5 meters or more at up to 160 kilometers per hour. This is why it's important to cover your mouth when you sneeze to stop the spread of germs. Did you know that you can actually hurt yourself by holding in a sneeze? Apparently, trying to hold in a sneeze can cause broken blood vessels in the eyes, damaged blood vessels in the brain, and ruptured eardrums. There's also something called ACHOO syndrome that affects up to 35% of the population. It means they sneeze when they are suddenly exposed to bright light. Lots of people sneeze 2 or 3 times in a row, but the record for the longest sneeze in the world goes to a woman from England who sneezed continuously for 978 days. Who knew there was so much to learn about the humble sneeze? Bless you.